Why is June so hot? We got ice cream. We got ice cream.
We got ice cream. Something else. Hey.
What is up, guys? Strikey Z here, and today I'm at Dad's house playing some frisbee with my little bro.
Hello.
What's your name? You don't do that. Ow. Okay, what's your name?
Mateo.
What's your name?
Mateo.
What?
Mateo.
What?
Mateo.
And today we're playing some frisbee. Want to do frisbee montage?
Yes.
Do it! Ew, there's all bugs over there. Ready? Whoa! You can get it. Get it. Run. Just run quick. Whoa, did you hear that? Hey, was that thunder? Where'd it go? I got it. Can I pass it to me? Pass it to me. Oh, you stinky little butt. Oh, dude. All I have is socks on right now. Okay, I got it. What am I talking about? Oh, sprinklers are on. That's a good thing. Bro. Oh! Oh!
What's the pop up right here? Spare me in the back.
Oh, where'd that hit you? Go throw! We better go inside. It's gonna rain. Okay, so where are we going now?
The pizza.
We're going to get pizza. And
Something just go out the window.
no. Okay, so we're going to get pizza and we're going to get dinner, I think, right? Yeah, okay.
You blew my money on a night for two. Trip to Vegas and an ocean cruise. That would have been cool, except I was not there with you.
Okay, guys, I got my little bro here, and this vlog is going to be 2 parts long, so it's going to be vlog 18 part 1 and vlog 18 part 2. So this is 2-day vlog. Well, not really. Thumbnail. Okay, we got the pizza. The pizza's very warm. It's very warm. It's on my lap. It's really nice. We got some pizza. And then we got, Dad, what else did we get? Dad, what else did we get? Chicken Parmesan sandwich.
Tilt it like that.
Chicken Parmesan sandwich. We got the best pizza in the world. My best pizza in the world. Best pizza in the world. Best pizza
Mom said that
in
he
the
was
world.
in intensive care for 3 days. He had a really bad croup virus where he couldn't, it was really hard for him to breathe because his lungs were all
Birthday is the
And
day my
you have
grandmother
crazy?
died. It's fun.
Okay, guys, so right now we are on the hammock, like always. Right, Tay?
Yeah.
And guys, we're gonna show you these cool flags, clouds. Look how cool they are over there. I just think it looks really cool and stuff. It just looks really cool. I don't know why. I don't know why. Boo! Did I scare you?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna do a montage of a family bike ride. And where we going, Sammy? We got the little GoPro set up already, guys, and we're gonna go for a little bike around the neighborhood and stuff like that. I don't know what I'm talking in this accent. It's just really fun. Yeah.
All of your wind has gone, and all of the paths you've drawn have sunk to the ocean sand where no one can see. You stand, don't let the dark embrace, cower the dreams you chase under the rust and blood. Don't let yourself give up. All of your wind has gone, and all of the paths you've drawn have sunk to the ocean sand where no one can see. You stand, don't let the dark embrace, cower the dreams you chase under the rust and blood. Don't let yourself give up. And all these steps that we take are leading us far away. And all these years are passing each day. Since then we are far away from where we were. We did what we could. We're light years away from where we stood. The road goes on far from it all. We will start from the start. 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 We will start from the start.
Okay guys, so it is about the end of the day today, and it is really late. It's like almost like 12 o'clock, surprisingly. And I'm still up on a Friday. It's very weird. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is part 2, one out of 2 parts of this vlog. So I'll see you guys later. I'm not going to end it today because I'm going to end it tomorrow because this is only part 1. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.